Good morning, you're so handsome. Good morning, princess, I love you. Good morning. I am recovering from the most wackiest dreams. I was in the desert for a moment. I was at a Kardashian party for a moment. And I was running for my life in a moment. I was literally putting out fires for a moment. Like, how are these things even a thing? I need to know if you guys think that your dreams have anything to do with your subconscious. And like, if they're trying to tell you something. I believe it. My mommy made me some tea. Orange and spice. I think it's really good. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna throw a pumpkin out the window because we can. Do you wanna watch me? Yes, you do. You're gonna miss me while I'm gone? Oh my god. Good morning, beautiful people. Actually, it's 3 o'clock, but the only thing that I've been doing is take naps. So I'm going to my local CVS right now to buy myself some goodies. Yay. I'm home again. I'll give you a haul, don't you worry. O'Reilly's, 5-piece boneless and medium buffalo, some wipes, because I needed these. I got some citrus hand sanitizer. Why is it like this? I'm just supposed to pour it on my hand. It smells nothing, absolutely nothing like oranges. I didn't have a lot of options, so hopefully it works. I don't know how good it's gonna look. Let's go check on the pumpkin that we let off the roof earlier and see if it broke. If it didn't break, let's smash it. Oh, it did. It did crack. Do you see? Yes. Boop. We're gonna do this now. I don't know how this is gonna turn out at all. The color that I'm using is for light blonde or highlighted hair. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, so it says on the box, dark blonde or darker, not recommended, no visible result. Okay, I think they're lying. I think it's gonna show up. Maybe not a lot, but it's going to show up. Look at that beautiful color. If it works, it's not gonna be even. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm kind of scared. But Siri said 30 minutes and counting. So, I'm just gonna sit here and wait for 30 minutes and counting. I don't think it's going to be visible. It's visible. It's gonna get lighter because it's still pretty wet. But I am excited. Please answer.
Oh my gosh.
How do you feel?
I wasn't expecting it. I like it. Oh, it looks good.
Thanks, babe.